Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video we're going to open up the replacement lens kit from Insta360 for their X5 camera. Sealed, of course. We have the lens replacement guide. They have a tutorial video. You should do this in a low humidity, dust-free environment. So in here are bunch of items. We have a tool, the removal tool. We have a brush. We have disposable gloves. We have wipes, cloths. We'll keep that in there. Here we have the blower. This is the lens grip tool. And then this is the lens right here. And there's a little suction cup on it to be able to grab it and lift it up. So I said I was excited to try this out. I'm excited and not excited. I don't want to break a lens, but I am excited to try it out. And there you have it. The replacement lens kit from Insta360 for their X5 camera. Thanks for watching.